Hello everyone, we are making some sugar cookies today. So let's start with our meats. Let's start with some flour. We need 17 ounces of that. We are going to scale it out, put it in our sifter on the side. We're going to do some baking powder. We need 0.42 ounces of that. Put it with our flour in our sifter. Next we are doing our salt. We need 0.14 ounces of that. Put it to the side. We're going to do our sugar next. Remember to tare, we need 10 ounces of that. Put it to the side. And then we are going to scale some vanilla. Put it to the side. Next, we are doing our eggs. We need 3.3 ounces of that. We need some butter. We need 8 ounces of that. That looks great. Now we are going to cut our butter. We need it to look like a medium dice. There we go. And now with a paddle in our bowl, we're gonna cream our sugar, our butter, and our salt until light and fluffy. And while we're doing that, we're gonna sift our flour with our baking powder, set it to the side. We're going to scrape. We're going to add our vanilla. Awesome, and we're going to scrape. Next, we're going to add our eggs one at a time. And we're going to scrape so everything comes together. And now our last egg. And we're gonna scrape. And we're gonna add our flour, a little bit in low speed. We're gonna mix it until it comes together. And now we are going to take it out, flour our bench, our rolling pin, our cutters. We're taking it out. We're going to form a uniform shape. Dust it with some flour. Roll it out, turn it, roll it, turn it. So we get an even roll, an even dough. Roll it until about a 1/4 inch. Have some pans, double pan with some parchment paper. We're gonna cut it out with our cutter with some flour. Put it in our sheet pans. Cut. Have some space between your cookies. Cut and twist. We're gonna combine our dough, what we have left over, uniform shape, roll it out, roll it, and we're gonna cut it and place the last of our cookies on our sheet tray. From there, we are going to grab some sugar and just toss it on top. Grab the other pan, sugar on top, nicely coated. And from here, we're gonna bake at 375. And now we are going to make some white bread. Welcome back. We're gonna yeast out our water at 52 ounces. We're gonna set some to the side for our yeast that we're gonna mix in later. Set that in our bowl, our extra water. Let's go for our yeast. We need 2 ounces of that. Let's scale that out. Next, we need bread flour. We need about 80 ounces of that. Let's put that and scale that out. And we're gonna put it in our bowl. Next, we're gonna mix out some milk powder, 4 ounces, sugar, 4 ounces, salt, 1 ounces. And we're gonna put that all in our bowl with our hook. We're gonna mix it, combine in speed 1, and then we're gonna increase into speed 2. Until gluten has developed. And now we're gonna mix, and we're gonna check it with the window pane test and see if there is light coming through. And now we're gonna let it ferment. And let's see when it doubles in size. Set it to the side, and now we're going to scale until about 6 ounce portion. Set it to the side. Remember to cover it. And we're gonna roll them into a nice shape. And we're gonna let them rest. And now we are rolling. We're gonna let them rest. And now we are going to roll them out for our shaping, our final shaping. Get our braids done. Roll. Let's do 3. And we're rolling. We're gonna pinch at the top. And we're going to pinch, and we're gonna roll. Let's go. And we're gonna fold those ends in. We're gonna put it in our parchment bake sheet, that's double pan. We're gonna roll another set of braids, nice and thick and long. We're gonna roll. And now we're gonna set our braid from the top, and we are gonna roll and twist, and there we go. Pinch at the bottom, roll them in. We're gonna do this one more time. We're gonna turn it so we get an even roll. And we're gonna roll our last one. We're going to braid it, get a consistent shape. Now we're gonna put them together. There we go. We messed up. We're gonna go back, stretch. And we go. We're gonna braid it. Awesome. Tuck it in, and we're gonna put it there. And we're gonna go ahead and bake.